Hi, good morning. It's been a long time. Today we're going to have a refresher on PRISM, the wheel and the maps. So for those of you who may not remember or are new and just joining us, then we're going to talk about PRISM, which is neurosciences and behavioral. And what I want to concentrate on is the fact that it's like a walnut, the brain, our amazing piece of muscle and cells and neurons in our head. Such a precious piece of our bodies. So we have the front of the brain, we have the sides of the brain, and we have the back of the brain. And we divide those into 4 quadrants. So we have gold, green, red, and blue. And these correspond with serotonin, dopamine, testosterone, and estrogen. So there are 4 quadrants. The next important thing is that each quadrant divides into 2 dimensions. So you may be all green, or you may be all red, or blue or gold, but you may be only one of the dimensions. So you could be innovating and or initiating, you could be supporting, coordinating, or you could be focus, which is not focus as in looking, it's focus more akin to win, 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 lose. Delivery, and then in gold we have the finishing, the detail, and we have the evaluating. So those are really important. We have the center of the brain, like the middle of the walnut, and that goes out to the edge, which is 100. So anything towards the center is lighter in color, density. Anything towards the outside is darker in density. So more of the darker, less of the center. So in the middle, we then go to the ring of 35. Anything under 35 is a least preferred behavior. There is no point in making people do this. They can do it, but they need to get back into their comfort zone. So no pushing on that. Then we go 35, 50, and that we can flex reasonably comfortably. 50 to 65, we can again flex reasonably comfortably, but getting stronger. 65 to 75 is a natural strength. 75 to 100 is potentially too much of a good thing. Potentially, not necessarily. So when we're aware of our preferred behaviors and our least preferred behaviors, we can use that when we're interacting with others. So that's just a very quick potted history of the PRISM maps and wheel and the brain. All right, so the next topic, we will see where we're going to go. Thank you very much for your ears.